Lenovo is shaking up the gaming handheld market with its first SteamOS-powered device. And yes, it's not made by Valve. Let's dive into the details of the new Legion Go S. After months of anticipation, Lenovo's Legion Go S is set to release on May 25th, with pre-orders live now. But there's a catch. The price starts at $549.99, which is $50 more than the initial promise of $499. So what's inside the box? The Legion Go S comes equipped with a stunning 8-inch 120Hz OLED display, perfect for smooth gaming visuals. It's got comfortable, ergonomic controls, and even a fingerprint reader with a touchpad, ideal for those who value both security and convenience. Under the hood, the base model packs 16 GB of RAM and the AMD Ryzen Z2 Go chip, while the higher-end version steps up to 32 GB of RAM and the Ryzen Z1 Extreme, making it a powerhouse for gaming performance. But the real game-changer here is SteamOS. Unlike Lenovo's earlier Windows version, the SteamOS variant promises a smooth, hassle-free gaming experience, similar to Valve's beloved Steam Deck. With Proton compatibility, you'll have access to nearly every game in the Steam library with no extra effort. Now let's talk pricing and competition. The Legion Go S at $549.99 puts it on par with the Steam Deck OLED, which is already a fan favorite. While the Legion Go S offers a larger 8-inch display, the Steam Deck OLED has earned a reputation for reliability. But will the Legion Go S hold up in real-world use? That's something a full review will tell us. And if you're someone who needs Windows 11, Lenovo's also offering the Ryzen Z1 Extreme version of the Legion Go S for $829.99. But with the SteamOS version now available, do you really need that extra price tag? With more SteamOS devices hitting the market, the competition is heating up. Will the Legion Go S be a worthy rival to the Steam Deck, or will Valve's Handheld continue to reign supreme? Stay tuned for our full review to find out. Interested? The Legion Go S is available for pre-order now and ships May 25th. Will you be picking one up? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.